Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of our UK case law series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating case that explores the concept of legal causation and its implications in criminal law. We're talking about R versus White, a pivotal case from 1910 that continues to influence legal decisions to this day. So, let's get right into it. In this case, the defendant, Mr. White, put poison into his mother's evening drink with the intention of causing her death. However, the victim only consumed a few sips before falling asleep and subsequently died from a heart attack, not from the poison itself. Mr. White was convicted of attempted murder, but on appeal, questions arose about whether he could be held liable for murder when his actions did not directly cause the death of his mother according to the medical evidence. The key issues on appeal were twofold. Firstly, whether the defendant could be liable for murder under the principle of causation, given that the poison did not factually cause the death of the victim. Secondly, whether Mr. White's actions constituted a sufficient attempt to ground a conviction for attempted murder, especially since he had planned to administer multiple doses of poison over time, which he never completed. The court established that but for a test of causation, which means that the defendant could only be convicted if it could be shown that, but for his actions, the victim would not have died. In this case, since the medical evidence indicated that the victim died of a heart attack and not from the poison, that but for a test was not met, leading to the conclusion that Mr. White could not be convicted of murder. However, on the issue of attempt, the court held that it was sufficient that Mr. White had taken steps towards committing the murder, even though he had not completed his intended plan of multiple doses. This upheld his conviction for attempted murder based on the evidence of his intention and the initial act of poisoning. In conclusion, R versus White remains a significant case in English law, particularly in defining the but for a test of causation and clarifying the requirements for an attempt to commit murder. While Mr. White was not found guilty of murder due to the lack of factual causation, the court upheld his conviction for attempted murder on the basis that he had taken substantial steps towards fulfilling his criminal intent. This case underscores the complexities and nuances involved in criminal law, where intention and the factual consequences of actions play crucial roles in determining legal liability. As we continue exploring more cases in this series, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below on any cases you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the rich tapestry of UK case law.